This is one of the example of sustainability, the good environment, the greenery environment towards the future of the humankind. Composed of 192 countries to come together. The energy of this place is above the roof. Expo 2020 Dubai is composed of 192 countries to come together to showcase their country in terms of economics, development, infrastructure, culture, and even the heritage of the country. Singapore Pavilion is the first pavilion we visited. This pavilion is the perfect example of sustainability, focusing in green and healthy environment. The exterior and interior design of the pavilion is a real definition of beauty, and that's what makes this pavilion very unique. This pavilion is full of greenery, which is thousands, hundreds of plants attached in the wall of this Singapore Pavilion. This is one of the example of sustainability, which is towards the future of the humankind. Singapore Pavilion is one of the best pavilion in Expo 2020. Thank you for stopping. What can you say about Expo 2020?
It's very cool.
Ang experience natin parang nasa loob tayo ng barko. So ito yung design ng lugar na to. It's mimicking the shape how it is designed. So nakikita natin na baganda ng experience dito yan. Nakikita natin yung lugar na to. Parang nasa loob ka ng isang ship yan. Napakaganda niya. So nakikita natin yan. Mga captain, mga crew, yan nakikita natin. So it's a beautiful experience for us guys. Nandito tayo sa lugar na to. To say this experience is one of the best one kung tawagin natin. Dito pa rin tayo sa sustainability guys. So nakikita natin dito. Itong lugar na to is all about promoting good and healthy environment. Nakikita natin dito ay talagang pinupush nila how to live in a clean and safe environment. So dito sa sustainability, it's all the highlights. Yan nakikita natin yung greenery, yung how to take care the marine, how to take care the environment in general. So this is one of the coolest section of Expo 2020 here, the sustainability. Expo Pavilion guys showcases the economics, development and sustainability of the country, the ecosystem and greenery and sustainability of the country as well. Water feature is the most popular place to visit in Expo 2020 due to the beautiful concept of the water fountain. Instead of water firing from the ground, it's firing on the opposite direction, which is firing from the bottom. And the good synchronization of the water movement and the music, it's what makes this more beautiful. Napakaganda niya. Of course, napakaraming tao dahil nga nag-enjoy yung mga tao manood sa water feature na to. So one of the best place to visit in Expo 2020 is water feature. So ang next destination natin guys ay kakain tayo. So pupunta tayo sa isa sa pinakasikat na restaurant dito, ang Al Baik. Al Baik is originated from Saudi Arabia and ngayon may branch na rin sila dito sa United Arab Emirates, particularly in Dubai. So isa ito sa pinakasikat at saka pinaka-dinadayo ng mga tao dito, ang Al Baik na to, dahil mura yung mga pagkain nila at napakasarap pa. So let's try. Sana magkaroon tayo ng chance na makabili dahil ang daming tao ngayon dito. Hope so, makapasok tayo sa loob. Finally guys, nakuha na natin yung order natin na Al Baik. Yan, it takes like 1.5 hours sa atin mag-order nito. Medyo matagal din tayo pumila. So, yan guys. Ito yung Al Baik. Double ano siya eh, parang double chicken yung nilagay sa kanya. Napakamura lang niya. Affordable na affordable. Kaya, ilang kano? So, 10 dirhams lang siya. Affordable na affordable na. Dalawang double yung ano eh. Parang double yung chicken na nilagay. Oh. So, kaya ito sa mga rason na bakit dinadayo ng tao ang Al Baik na to. Dahil sa mura na siya, masarap pa at saka satisfied ka sa pagkain nila. Yan. This heart, this is support for Ukraine, yeah?
This heart is to bring awareness. So these are the colors of the Ukrainian flag,
Okay.
yellow, which represent the freedom of the sky and the wind.
Okay.
And we give it to you and you wear it around the Expo so people around can see that there's a war in Ukraine and we would like to have peace. So that's your
I'm proud to have that, you know.
Thank you very much. Where are you from, sir?
From Philippines.
Salamat po.
Walang anuman. Thank you, madam. Prayer for everyone in Ukraine.
Thank you very much.
Thousand. Sakala ko kanina yung sa baba lang yung may maraming sticky notes. Pagdating ko dito sa taas, talagang ang dami. Yan, nakalagay pa rin. Iba-ibang lingwahe. Stay strong. Yan. Maraming sayo ng mga pumunta dito. Oh my God. Lahat yata ng building na to ay cover ng sticky note in support to Ukraine. Sinuot natin to and we are proud to see na we support Ukraine as well sa mga pinagdadaanan nila ngayon. So, yan, napakita ng mga tao dito sa United Arab Emirates yung suporta nila sa Ukraine. And you guys, if you're watching this video, it's always best to stand for what is truth. So